In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate molding, which is this trim piece that sits right on the corner of your tailgate. Let's get started. Because this truck has this feature for the handle to climb up on the tailgate, we have to start by removing this. This is a T40 Torx headed bolt. Remove this. Pull this out. It's a pin style, so it goes right through and holds this lever on, or the handle. And at this point, you should be able to maneuver this out of here. There we go. Take this out and set it aside. And now to remove this piece, you have 13 T30 Torx headed bolts. They look like this. They go all the way around. So just work your way around and take them all out. And now you should just be able to lift this right up and off and set it aside. Now to remove this piece, you have 2 push clips at the top here. The rest is just held on with clips. To take these out, you have to press the center down. And then with the trim tool, try to get underneath it and pry it up. A lot of times they will break, so we'll have to find new push clips. That's fine. Oh, looks like this one did come out, but it did break, so I will throw this one away and find a new one. And at this point, you would do the same to the other side, as long as you have both, which you should. And now, all that's holding this together is little pins or clips that sit in here. So I'm going to take a different trim tool, try to use something plastic so it doesn't damage the surface in the paint. And you're going to want to just pry away. There we go, that's one. If you reach in here, you might be able to get to one of the clips. Okay, yep, so we just have 2 more, which are over here. Those are going to be the harder ones to get to. If your truck has this bed step included in the tailgate, you're going to want to pull that away just a little bit so you can get to this part. And over here, it's going to be very difficult to reach those clips because there's no access from the inside. Okay, so now we're just on to the last one. There we go. Try and pry this last one. All right. And there is the bumper trim piece. Now take your new piece if you had one, line it up. It has a bunch of clips on the back. These are the ones that I was prying at. And once it lines up, it should be able to just slide into place. Tap it in. It should lock in place. As you remember, our 2 clips at the top broke, but I have some new ones that we can reuse and secure this properly. You want to make sure you secure it, otherwise when you open or close the tailgate, if you grab it right here, you'll just have this piece come right off. And you don't want that. So there you have it. Now take this cover, put it right back on here, line it up, and then we'll take our 13 T30 bolts and just go all around, put them all back in. I'm going to start them all by hand first. They're all the same, so you don't have to worry about which ones came from which bolt hole. And the reason you want to start them all in by hand is because this moves around. You want to make sure it's lined up. Otherwise, if you tighten 1 or 2 or more, you won't be able to move it around to line up the ones that don't line up. So just make sure they're all in before you tighten them down. And now, snug them all up. Now, put this back in place here. go. Put the pin/bolt through, thread it on partially to make sure that it's actually secured or threading in properly, and then tighten it up and make sure it still operates perfectly as it should. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.